Hollywood actress Omotola tests positive for COVID-19, now in isolation. See the viral video of Nigerians allegedly thrown into the desert in Dubai. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Jilofshin. I'm back with another new video. Please, if this is your first time watching a video on my YouTube channel and you want to keep seeing more of this kind of video, can you show love by kindly clicking on that red subscribe button right now, and you'll be blessed with 6 years of success, progress and promotion. Even let me add 4 years to it, making it 10. And don't forget to tap on the notification button so you get notified once I upload another video. And please, if you have anything you want to say to me at the end of the video, just drop your comments in the comment section about your thoughts and opinion. I'm going to reply you. Or if you want to chat me privately, you can follow me on my Instagram page, Jilofshin. DM me, I'm always online. I'm going to reply you. Stay tuned. Make sure you watch the full video, watch to the end, and you can also share with friends. Omotola Jalade Ekende has revealed that she tested positive for COVID-19. Veteran actress made this known on Saturday on her verified Instagram account. The 42-year-old actress, however, noted that she is currently in isolation and now getting better. She said, "Hello, I know, miss, if you have been wondering where I have been, well, I contracted COVID and I've been ill in isolation and now getting better. More on these details." Omotola, who is known for her remarkable humanitarian effort, also commented on the recent killing by trailers on Lagos State Road. She argued Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu to take action that will stop the sad accident like that of Immaculate Okocha crushed to death in Lagos months to her wedding. Omotola wrote, "However, I have been reading all the devastating news of how our youth are needlessly dying, getting crushed by trailers, containers. This is disheartening and has made my heart really troubled. This can happen to anyone and enforcement cannot be taken lightly on this government. At Jide Sanwo-Olu, please do something. God help us in this country and may God continue to bless our country. Please, what are your thoughts about this? Make sure you just drop your comments in the comment section about your thoughts and opinion. And please, don't forget to put her in prayer to keep making her better and better and better. May God help her in this situation. Amen." Without wasting much of your time, let's move right to the next discussion of the day. This latest news is the news coming straight from Dubai. Nigerians in Dubai are allegedly being chased into the desert. While they are out there to solve problems in and out of Nigerians, more keeps coming. Video has gone viral over the past hours. It was recorded by one of the Nigerians who said that the Dubai authorities asked them to leave, chase them from their homes into the desert. In the video, the guy recording it said they chased all the Nigerians into the desert, and in the video you can see many Nigerians at the street with their bags at the desert and nobody to help them there, and are calling for Nigeria government. He was standing far away from the desert while he recorded the video and posted online. Many prominent Nigerians have begun to react to the video. There is more to the video than you see. Prominent Nigerians such as Femi Fani Kayode, Abike Dabiri Arewa, and others have reacted to the video. FFK asked, how did it become this bad? While many keep talking about what happened, I am arguing federal government to look into the matter and possible send for stranded Nigerians to be brought back home. Here is the video rolling.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nigerian citizens. The Dubai government has asked them to move away from the humanitarian city. Now they are in the desert now. The Dubai government has asked them to move to the desert. This is UAE, United Emirates Arab, Dubai. These people you see here are people that have Dubai visa. And these are some of us here also. These are some of Nigerians now. These ones refuse to go to the desert, but we're still hanging out there. We've been sleeping outside our houses because we don't have house. We've been here because of the coronavirus. And we have no home to go. We have no place to go. This is where we've been sleeping outside for 6 days and they've been moving us around. These are Nigerians. Dubai, United Emirates Arab. This is 6 days now. So because Nigerian government these are Nigerians. These are Nigerians. These are Nigerians. Assalamu alaikum. Nigerian. mutanen Dubai sun kore mu daga cikin garin su, sun ce mu bar garin su kafin on the 10th of this month. Sannan kuma sun ce mu zo Humanitarian Center za su kai mu garin mu baya. Muka dawo nan gurin Humanitarian Center aka ce mu bar gurin mu je masallaci mu zauna, muka je masallaci ka zauna, aka ce to mu bar gurin kuma mu koma cikin daji abin da ake kiran desert. Ga mutanen mu ma a cikin desert da sun ga a nan gurin, ba ruwa ba abinci ba ma abin sha, amma da suna cikin desert. Ga shi nan Dubai UAE United Emirates Arab kenan, ga sunan ga mutane mu wallahi mun fi nan banga wasu sukan zo su sumaya a nan gurin. So Nigerians dan Allah ku abin ku za ku ma yaran ku ga mun rai a hanya, mun zo nan gurin da mu samu kudi don mu kawo a iyayen ma gida na, amma gashi nan za mu ruwa wayo a nan garin. Nigerian government muna kiran ku don da ya san yake karfi, yana da karfin da zai sa wanga video din ya je viral, da ya kokari ya sa mana video.
So tó sọ fún wa ni pé àwa ọmọ Nàìjíríà wà níbí, àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin àtẹni tó lóyún àti wà ń bíbà látọjọ́ 6. Àwọn olóyún wà láàrin wa, àwọn tó níwèé láti padà wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n ní kí gbogbo wa máa lọ, a dẹ̀ ṣe tán, a ò fẹ́ lòdì sófin wọn. Wọ́n ní pé kí gbogbo wa máa lọ, àti kóra wa síbí báyìí. A wà níwájú tó yẹ kó ti pè wá wọlé. Nígbà tó bá yá wọ́n tuntun tì wá síwájú ní ìsìn báyìí inú dẹ́sàtì inú yanrìn tí ó wà fún ẹranko láti máa gbé, ibẹ̀ náà kó wa sí. Nǹkan tó ń sọ wá ní kí wọ́n lẹ́ranko ni wá, wọ́n ti wá títí wọ́n ní ká máa wọnú inú igbó lọ. Àwọn tó wà ń bẹ̀, àwọn tẹ́ ń wò yẹn, àwọn èèyàn wa ní, àwọn èèyàn ọmọ Nàìjíríà, àwọn ló wà ń bẹ̀. Àwọn tó níwèé láti padà sílé, wọn ò ṣí ọ̀nà fún wa láti padà. Àwọn èèyàn ló wà nínú igbó tẹ́ ń wò yẹn, àwọn èèyàn wa rèé, àwọn ọkùnrin wà nù wa, àwọn àgbàlagbà, àwọn tó wá sọlúdé ń bíbà wà ń bẹ̀, àwọn olóyún wà ń bẹ̀, àwọn ọmọ kékeré wà ń bẹ̀. Níṣẹ́ náà ti wá wọnú inú igbó lọ, wọ́n ní ká máa wọnú igbó lọ, wọ́n ṣe náà wọ́n lé wa bí ẹranko. Àwọn
Yes, guys, I'm not be lying to you. This is very bad. What do you have in mind about this? Just drop a comment in the comment section about your thoughts and opinion. And please, we are calling on Nigerian government to bring back these stranded Nigerians back home. Please. So guys, don't forget, if you are new to my YouTube channel or this is your first time watching a video on my YouTube channel, just show love by kindly clicking on that red subscribe button right now. And so you receive your own blessing of 6 years. Even add 4 to it, that's 10 years of success, progress and promotion. It works, just try it. And don't forget to tap on the notification button so you get notified once I upload another video. And please, if you enjoyed this video, just kindly click on that like button. And if you have anything you want to say to me, just drop a comment in the comment section about your thoughts and opinion. Or you follow me on my Instagram page, DM me, I'm always online, I'm going to reply you. Stay tuned, see you on my next video. Love you all.